Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2019 BMW X3. Beautiful Glacier metallic in color, which is a fancy name for silver metallic. Nice sporty SUV. Got the new body style. This was a local trade. The nice 19-inch aluminum wheels with the run flat tires. It's got the self-leveling HID headlights, LED fog lights. It's got the front and rear park assist sensors, backup camera. This one's got the driver package, so it's going to have the lane departure warning system, blind spot monitor system, collision avoidance system. It's got a good Carfax, non-smoker, local trade, so no rust, nice Tennessee vehicle. Also, this has been certified, so you upgrade the warranty up to 100,000 miles on the powertrain. The factory warranty is up to 50,000 miles, but since it's been certified, it goes up to 100. You can upgrade that to bumper 100,000 miles for not too much money. We can discuss that if you're interested. I've got power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors, and they're folding too. When you lock it, they fold in. If you got a tight garage or you don't want people to knock your mirrors off, it's a feature you can disable if you don't like that. Got the nice wood grain trim, memory seats. It's got dual power seats on both sides, 10-way with lumbar support. Got the nice sport seat, very comfortable. They're like new condition. I really like this feature too. If you have leg or back problem, this helps you support your legs. It makes a big difference. It's got clean carpets and floor mats. There's your light controls. Got tilt, telescopic steering wheel. So all you do is put your foot on the brake, push the start button. As you can see, it's been serviced recently, so there's no service due for pretty good while. I think 6,000 miles left. It's only got 16,000 miles. 16,303 miles. Got nice crisp digital display with your speed, RPM, fuel mileage. It's got the 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. You can upshift and downshift with this button, these paddles. Got your cruise control right here. And then your audio controls right here. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, nice and comfortable. Nice resolution navigation system. I got all kind of information here. My vehicle, vehicle status. Let's go look at the service. So 2022 for the next check. Fluid, brake fluid. So still got plenty life left for the service, so tells you everything here. Get the weather. It's got AM, FM, satellite radio, CD, Bluetooth, audio. Got all the goodies. It's also got Apple CarPlay, so you can plug up your Apple phone and it'll display a lot of information on the screen. Gets your backup camera with the sensors. It's got automatic climate control. You just dial the temperature you want. Passenger and driver can have their own temperature. You can sync it. It's got the iDrive. It's a little different, but you get used to it. That's reverse, neutral, drive, and park. And also you get your electric parking brake. You've got different mode of driving. It'll adjust the shifting pattern, changes the display, eco mode. I just leave it on comfort. There's your wheel here, control things. It's like a little mouse. Got storage. I do have both keys, owner's manual. This is what Carfax thinks I should be asking, so I've got a fair price considering the condition, the miles. and it's certified. Got your auto dimming rearview mirror. How about this sunroof? That's what you call a sunroof. The front opens. The back is just a skylight, basically. And if it gets too hot, you push this button and it's got a power shade. Covers the whole thing up. Pretty nifty. Got plenty of room back here. Nice comfortable seats. Got cup holder with your armrest. Well, I guess I didn't shut that. There we go. Forgot to show you, it's got its own climate control in the back. Automatic climate control, you just dial the temperature. It's kind of nice. The back seats are adjustable, the reclining position, and also you can fold them flat down if you need some extra cargo space. Got a nice wheel with no rust, no curb rash. Got your power lift gate. You can push the button on the remote or the button on the tailgate. Got lots of space. Get your cargo cover. Does have some storage back here. There's an outlet. 12-volt outlet. This is not all scratched up. You see a lot of them all scratched up. This is not. The body's in good shape. I didn't see any dents or anything. Got all the same controls. The passenger. I like that X3 right here. Kind of nice little touch. Here we've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder, but don't let the size fool you. This is turbocharged, 248 horse, plenty of horsepower. So you get the power and the fuel mileage up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Not bad for an SUV of this size. Everything's nice and clean, lots of aluminum, no rust. Just like new, basically. Like I mentioned earlier, you still get the remainder of the 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty bumper to bumper from BMW. And since it's been certified, it goes all the way up to 100,000 on the engine and transmission. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV in light new condition at an affordable price, this here is probably it. To see if this X3 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.